I wasn't even recording the first time around. Whatever, here we are. It might be a little windy, but you can hear the motor. It just ain't running right. Here. It's not, I don't have a big cam. It's just missing. And I changed this hose. I changed the knock sensor. Oh, she almost died on us. I changed the knock sensor because it was throwing a code, but now there's no more codes coming out of the box, neither for the ignition nor the fuel. But it's just idling like crap. And I'm gonna check for vacuum leaks later, so we'll get to that. But I really think it's the RPM sensor back there. Ah, she died. Let me kill it so the fan doesn't drain the battery. Alright, well, like I was saying, I think it's the RPM sensor back here. As you can see, it's already fraying. It's seen better days. So, I really think that's what this gremlin is. Don't mind the huge zip tie. Or the blue ones. But, I already changed the spark plugs. I gapped them. I changed the wires. Still nothing. And what's happening is that when I start it up, cold starts are a bitch. They're terrible. Sometimes I gotta crank a little bit long, but once it's started, it starts right back up, no problem. Just when they come to a stop, idle, it just starts to get a little choppy. Maybe sometimes on their boost it does it too. It just breaks up a little bit. I checked with the timing gun. All the wires are all getting spark, and it seems very steady. It's just that just acts up. I also did the fuel filter. Wasn't that? And I could feel when I put my hands on the injectors, they're all clicking. So there isn't much left. Just the the mass air meter, which I don't think that's the problem. Because when it runs right, it runs right. And I don't know. I think we might as well change that. It's already fraying. And it's a cheap little sensor. Pretty easy to fix, so we'll do that. The battery's charging fine. Fan's working fine. So there's only so much it could be. But there's an update of where we stand right now. You guys got to hear it for a little bit with the rest of the muffler missing and my fake cam. But we'll be back later.